What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is about the most common mistakes that beginner beatboxers make. If you are a beginner beatboxer and you are making such mistakes, then it might be possible that you're not on the right track, or maybe you are, but you could be on a better track. So check this out. Yes, you guys do not follow the golden advice. The golden advice being, get your basics clean or work on your basics. Whenever a senior beatboxer or an intermediate beatboxer, let alone a pro beatboxer, comes and tells you that your basics are not clear, it pretty much means your basics are not clear and you need to work on your basics. Forget all the sounds you were working on. Forget the special sounds or the effects or the basses which you were working on. Please work on your basics first. You guys think that you guys can literally learn up the basics in a week or two and then progress to learning the effects or the special sounds as soon as possible. Things do not roll like that, because if you don't know your basics properly, you're not going to move ahead with beatboxing, because you're not going to sound nice on the microphone. No matter how fast you're doing your TKs or how good your bass is, if your basics are not clear, then speaking of clean basics, we move on to point number 2. Do not run after special sounds. Most of you guys would want to learn lip rolls in the first place. And you guys ping me up saying how to do the lip rolls, and whenever I ask you guys to drop a beat, you guys end up doing something like, please. Go to point number 1. Yes, learn your basics properly. Then there are many other things that you need to work on. Your structure, your music sense, your rhythm, your flow, tempo, everything. Special sounds are not the most important thing in beatboxing, because yes, special sounds can change the course of a battle, but a battle is not what should be on your mind when you're starting to beatbox in the first place, remember? Yes, so don't run after special sounds. There are loads of other things to work on in the first place, then you can come back and learn the special sounds. Yes, this is a very interesting topic, prematured participation, if a word like that exists. So yes, recently I had been judging a lot of battles, and I found out many beatboxers, especially beginner beatboxers, they had been participating. There's no harm when you are participating, but I think it's my personal opinion that before participating, you should at least reach a level. There's a benchmark. There should be a benchmark before you can get up on the stage, or you can participate in online battles or something like that. Because forget battling. Even before getting up on the stage, there should be a benchmark that you should reach. Whenever people tell you that you're going to gain experience from participating in battles, or you're going to gain experience when you get up on the stage, you're going to get rid of your stage fright whenever you get up on the stage, that's true. But all these things come after reaching the benchmark. There's no point actually going and participating in battles or going up on the stage if you haven't reached the benchmark yet. In one of the recent battles, I saw someone doing something like this. I'm not kidding. That person did exactly something like this. And even in the jury chat, one of the judges, he wrote, is he doing this intentionally, or is he like trying to mock someone or something like that? Like legit. That person, I could figure out that person was not doing it intentionally. Probably he must have been beatboxing for a month or something like that. So as a beginner beatboxer, you should know what the benchmark is. You should set your own benchmark and not actually try to get into battle scene with 1 month experience or maybe 2 months experience, thinking that the more you battle, the more experience you'll be gaining. Yes, that will happen, but like I said, that will happen with time and after reaching the benchmark. So reach the benchmark first, then get in the battle scenes, or then go up on the stage and perform to get rid of your stage fright. How can I do fast beatboxing? I've heard this question 1000 times from beginner beatboxers. I think it all comes down to the basics again. Get your basics clean. You can enter the fast beatbox category. Actually fast beatboxing depends a lot on practice, number 1, and number 2, comfort zone. You cannot beatbox fast if you're doing something which you're not comfortable with. Like previously, I could not do TKKs properly. Even now, I'm not very strong when it comes to doing TKKs. But still, I've got better in doing TKKs. But still, when it came to technical beatboxing, yeah, I was pretty fast. Because I was fast because I was in my comfort zone. Because I had practiced B, T, K. K means the rim shot. I had practiced these things a lot, like probably more than 10,000 times. I've done B, T, and K. So yeah, by applying whatever I'm comfortable with and beatboxing using those sounds only, I could achieve a fast structure. Okay, last but not the least, many people have a really wrong idea about inspiration. You guys say that a certain someone is your beatbox inspiration and you would want to be a beatboxer like them. It's absolutely fine. But what you guys end up doing is you guys end up copying that beatboxer, which we call bite. You know, more and more you guys copy a beatboxer in the name of inspiration. Their beatbox structures and routines get stuck in your head, and at times during battles, you people end up doing the same drop or a very similar drop. I've also seen most of the times many beginner beatboxers end up making drops or routines which sound exactly similar to someone else's beatboxing, because that person had been their inspiration in the first place. Okay, with this we come to the end of this video. If this video had been helpful for you guys and you guys love this video, please hit the like button. It would help me a lot. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, then you might want to do that.